25. We have 11 items in the show under $25, and one of them here, under 13, is a wonderful splatter guard from Kuhn Rikon. It's a set of two. One is going to be your 10-inch and one is going to be your 12-inch. These are silicone, and do you see how they fold up? So you can use these folded, you can use these open, and they also store very easily. Should be $25 for both of them. Today you're looking at $12.99 for two of them, so $6 and change each. Free shipping and handling saves you an additional $5.50. You're going to use these all the time to keep all of those spillovers from happening. Let me tell you the color choices that we have for you. So right here is going to be your navy and berry. Actually, I think we're going to do this. All right, there we go. Okay, so this is going to be your navy with your berry. We have 900 in the navy berry option. Here's your red black. 1,000 remain in red black. Here's your gray aqua option. Only 250 remain here. Also, I love these handles. Let's welcome back Stacy Stoffer. She is a cooking coach and a self-taught meal master, and she brings us just wonderful items throughout the kitchen and for the kitchen. Stacy, great to have you back. I'm falling in love with these. This is my first time seeing these ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're awesome. A true proper splatter guard from Kuhn Rikon, who's been in business since 1899. Swiss engineering. It's a Swiss company known for building better mousetraps. So when it comes to a splatter guard, you can make it better. Who knew? Number one, you can make it foldable. Number two, you can make it out of silicone so it doesn't absorb odors. It doesn't stain. You can give it a metal edge on the inside and around it so it's sturdy, so you can use it in and out of an oven. And you make it where you never have to remove the entire thing off the pot. If you come over here and you see this, all you have to do is pull it back. So if I have to stir, super easy. If I need to set that spoon aside, I don't have to put it on the counter and dirty my counter. I can also season my tomato sauce without having to completely take off the lid, helping to keep my stovetop, whether it's traditional gas, electric, or a glass top, keep it clean. And you have the holes through it, so that allows the steam to come through, but keeps condensation here, so it keeps the moisture inside. So food, like if you're browning chicken, like you're pan sauteing bacon, like it can't get dried out because the moisture's still in there.
These are so smart. Already 100 are out the door. This truly, if you need a splatter guard, if you don't have a splatter guard, if you need to upgrade your splatter guard, buy these, because at under $13 with free shipping and handling, you have two perfect sizes to use. They store super easily. I am loving these handles because, Stacy, the handles are even a little bit raised up. So often you see a splatter guard and the handle is just completely horizontal. This means that I can very easily lift up and down, and also I'm a little bit farther away from the hot component of the pot. This is your red and black choice. So you've got your large, which is going to be your 12-inch. Your medium, I would say, is your 10-inch. We also have it for you in the navy and the berry. Those are really beautiful. And the gray and aqua has been the most popular. We have now fewer than 200 to go around with that gray aqua. So Stacy, these ones really, I could see, really once people get these, they're never going to want to go back to any other splatter guards. Really, I feel like Kuhn Rikon has thought of everything.
And I have the old, like an old pair from long ago, and at this price, and they work fine. But with this price and this ingenuity, I'm going to replace them because it's just a no-brainer. So check this out. Number one, with that, again, that metal edge, what's really wonderful is it can take the heavy lid. So I'm using the lid to my actual green pan skillet, right?
Yes.
I'm doing that because as the heat comes through the holes of here, what I'm able to do is steam and soften my tortillas, because on the inside, if you take a look, I've been grounding taco meat, which is awesome, right? I need to find a little, I'm going to go back to my spoon over here. Hold on one second.
All right. Gosh, and it looks delicious.
Really wonderful. So I'm doing double duty. I don't have to even bother using the microwave to warm up my tortillas. I'm going to go ahead and nice and in a clean manner, while this is staying warm, again, nothing splattering onto the countertop, I'm going to go ahead and just spoon my tortillas and make my tacos. Of course, I'd put a little cheese in there.
Yes.
But look at, again, just the really nice design. And then I can keep tortillas warm and the taco meat warm as people come down, like my teens. They never come down to dinner on time because they're doing, quote, in quotes, homework upstairs, which means they're more like gaming. So my husband and I usually start eating 15 minutes before they even come down. But this is a way to keep everything warm and ready to go, and it's really nice. Also, take it to the oven.
Sure.
This is oven safe up to 400 degrees.
Great.
So here's a wonderful way to reheat pizza. Use it as a pizza pan. And what's really wonderful is you get nice pizza, but you'll get a crispy bottom. It doesn't get soggy, which is really nice. And with this being silicone, should cheese get on here, so easy to clean. Just pop it in the dishwasher. Or with silicone not being something that things stick to easily, if you wanted to hand wash it, it'd be super, super easy. And one more thing, because I'm so, obviously, I keep saying it if you've been watching the entire show, I'm thinking about warmer weather.
Yes.
It's
cold here, Stacey. It's cold.
Right? So I can't wait for it to be spring and summer and outdoor entertaining. This is another great way to keep bugs off and out of your food. So put this over a bowl of macaroni salad, potato salad. So it's a bug stopper too.
And this is how it folds down in stores. So these could even go in a drawer if you don't have the shelf space, or do them sideways, kind of like a bookcase option. Really easy. And when you're ready to go, it even has these great little silicone nubs here so that you just open it up, but that also keeps it. So I could just carry it with one handle instead of the two. It's very smart, dishwasher safe, easy clean. You can steam on the top. And Stacey, having that ability to fold back so I don't have to actually remove the whole splatter guard, that might be my favorite part. And the metal around the outside. There's too many favorite parts of it. It's perfect. It's great.
Yeah, and again, this is what Kuhn Rikon is known for. It's taking something that we use every day, but making it better. So they said, how can we make a splatter guard better? Oh my gosh, let's make it foldable. Genius, right?
Yeah.
And let's make it out of silicone. So it's so versatile. So again, I love it. So whether you have to stir, season, or just peek inside. Again, if you're cooking bacon in your skillet, if you're browning chicken that still has the skin on it, that fat renders down, which is amazing for flavor, but it also splatters up. So we're keeping things clean, we're making our life easier, and in a lot of cases, because we're able to retain moisture in there, but let steam come out, we may be getting better results when cooking. Just from having something like this. And don't do what I just did. See, I made a mess of my counter. Just lay this
right on top.
Right on top, right?
There you go, because that can just be thrown. Yes, it can go right into the dishwasher. $13, less than $13. So you're looking at $6 and change for each of these. Amazing item. Please give us a call. We have it for you in the navy berry option. We have about 650 remaining in your navy berry. In the red black option, 600 remain. And your gray aqua has now sold out. So I'm gonna pass that over to Rocco. That one is gone. Thanks, Rocco. So these two, do not miss out on these ones. Stacey, thank you so much. We finished with a bang. This is a great item. So thank you for showing us this one.
It really is, yeah. Awesome. See you again, Rachel.
Yes, I'll see you soon. Absolutely. So that does it for Stacey, but we've got a lot more to come here. Give us a call to place your order. Now, give us a call.